Okay, so back to these space figures. If we look at a rectangular pyramid, if I were to flatten it out, what would happen is you would get the rectangular base, and then you would get these triangles coming off of it. If I look at the net of a prism, okay, let's say we're talking about a triangular prism. My sides on a triangular prism are going to be, they're going to be rectangles, okay? And then I would have a triangle coming off of here, possibly. And you would see that because a triangle base has 3 sides, you're going to have 3 rectangles. Here, because you've got a rectangular base and this is a pyramid, you're going to have 4 triangles. So based on what type of figure you have, this is what the net is going to be like. So this is the triangular prism. And this is the rectangular pyramid. Your sphere, we don't really net that. But our cone is odd looking because what happens with a cone is that we have kind of an odd shape like this with a circle here and then attached to a circle. So this is kind of what our cone looks like. And our cylinder, when we unwrap that cylinder, we get a rectangle, and then we have the 2 circle bases attached to it. So you start to understand what the nets of these figures look like, and the more we look at them, the more we can understand what they are going to be like. The only other thing that we are going to be a little bit responsible for, and we're not going to spend a whole lot of time, but we are going to be looking at cutting up solids and what those shapes are going to look like. So we'll spend a little bit of time with that tomorrow, but not very much. We'll just kind of look at it and see what a cross section would look like. So, so anyway, that is it for this lesson. Here's the blue-footed booby from Galapagos saying, "Oh, I love these shapes. Look at all of them. That's so good. Oh wait, your fingers, they're so glittery. I like that a lot too." Okay, so hopefully you'll be ready to work on some of this tomorrow. Okay,